I just want to share a useful trick with you in case you're traveling and you have to rely on Wi-Fi to get around. So of course, when you go out in public, you won't have Wi-Fi, so it's best to download a map into your phone so you can use that to get around and you don't have to rely on internet or phone data. So in Google Maps, there's an option to download maps or download portions of maps, but you can download a pretty good size map, so you don't have to worry about like downloading multiple maps and all that. But if you select the icon, your profile icon in the top right hand corner, select offline maps, and from here you can select your own map, and you can drag. Once you have everything in position, all you have to do is just select download and give it a moment to download. And any maps you already downloaded, you can always update it. So say if the roads change or whatever, you can just select update, and then you'll have all the accurate information. But yeah, this is good for travel. I'm doing this myself. I got lost traveling, so I need this. But all right, that's all I got for y'all. Much love to each and every one of you. I'm your downloading pirate, and I'm out.